Hello everyone and welcome back to the vlog. Today's episode, we're bringing you to our camping 102, so you can come along with us. We have reached the Chiliwak McDonald's, so we're taking our break here. Kain po tayo! Back to the road!
At the light, turn left onto Better Road. Signs for Trans-Canada Highway, British Columbia 1.
It's gonna be extra 2.5 hours, so sit back and relax. Enjoy the scenery. Welcome to Princeton, British Columbia. And welcome to the countryside. By the mountain.
Solar pa. May solar siya.
Oh, wow.
Darang river nila.
To our destination. Okay, we just arrived. Private property, Bend. Ayan. This is the campsite. Ito nga yun na to. Oh, ayan na.
So dito tayo.
Oo, first daw. Ito. So number 1, pag turn right, ito na. Okay, so this is our site. Gonna unloading soon. Lahat nakapack na yan. Ingat.
Merong spot na
And this is the washroom. Tada! Yan ang washroom dito. Let's go inside. So cute naman yan. Let's go. Oh, hi! Ito yung washroom dito. Malinis. And then may lock siya. Meron din siyang parang sanitizer. Bring sunshine wherever you go. Bring sunshine. So cute, my bees. And then meron din sila. Oh, meron din pala silang tissue. Hello, mainit. And then ito yung washroom. Mag-wash muna ako. And ito ang washroom nila. Let's see. Peekaboo. Malinis naman. Wala pang nagamit. Ako pa lang first. It's a very traditional way. So, wala silang water here. Okay. Tada! And that's it. Yung ang camp namin doon. It's not too bad. Few steps away. And we just set up the first two. Namin. Yung gazebo and our tent. Mga karga namin. Ooh. This is it. This is we packed from last year. Buti na lang may off. Mga cargamientos. May rice pa. And all.
Yes, I finally got a new record. Okay, I'm gonna watch it.
Okay na ta. We're gonna tour. There's a nice spot over here. It's McKinley Beach, number 5. We're actually number 1 pagpasok doon na. And they have also for kids play area. And there's a big flag. Oh, Canada flag. Yeah. Okay. Ito yung maganda nilang river. So refreshing naman. Very good. Meron sila return bottle for recycle. Parang mga rest area there. Walang katao-tao kasi kami palang unang nag-check-in. We arrived mga 3 something. Sila Sisi, they're on the way. And then it's Friday, so probably na traffic. Mamaya pa yun sila. Merong gazebo here. Wow. Very nice.
There's a frog.
Where's the frog? Anak. Huh? Oh, I like this one. There's a froggy. Ooh, hi froggy. Tiny frog. Yeah, just a moment. Nice man. And all the way there. Ganda, refreshing. Okay, let's go over here. Ganda ng mga flowers. There's yellow. I don't know what kind of flowers. And this one, I know this is lavender. Anak ko, nandoon na sila. It's very nice. You can see the sunset strip here, and it's already 6 something ish. 6, 7. Fresco. Away from Wi-Fi and gadgets. So we'll be staying here for about 3 days and 2 nights. Let's go down doon sa Manila. I already worn my sleeper kasi I felt so cold. Wow, it looks so wow, sand. So clear. Wow. Mahirap ata mag-paddle dito, anak. Oh, yung flow of this water. Oh, mabilis. Right, ate? At least sand. Let's wash my feet. Oh my goodness. Ay, malamig! Ooh, so cold. Cold. Sand. Parang kaming sa beach, but we're in the middle of...
I think I just buried it with sand.
This is satisfying man, anak. It's like massaging my paa. Pero ondo na yan, anak. Oh, it's na, nak. Maybe you do paddle, but it's only here. the big heart-shaped barbit. There you. Meron pala silang ano ganda. Meron silang aso. Hello! There! Hi, guys! Diyan na sila. Okay. Let's go. It's already... What time now, Minnie?
It's 6:33.
6:33 na sila dumating. Dumating na sila. Kailangan tayo mag-urong. Hi guys! Si CJ! Oh, nagalit na yung aso. Guys, long drive. No signal, no? SOS. Hi, Jay. Hi, Jay. I know. Oh, there na, oh. Hi, Jans. We're waiting for you. Saan gusto nyo? Hanggang doon pa. Oo. Hi, Sisi. At last, they arrived. Woo, naka-dressy si girl, ah. What? Tito Kaneng. This is our gazebo. Welcome to Riley. Cute. And hello. Isa sa mga ano dyan. Ah, yun. Oh, bilis. Tinayin laps ko din kanina din. Maganda man din.
23 seconds ka lang.
Na pero matagal yon. Ilang
Kaya nga, ilang minutes na ngayon. Diba?
Nice. Yeah. Meron din ako nakuha. Ba, ready na. Ready na. That's nice.
Ang tagal-tagal na ito.
Nag-usap-usap sa amin yung may-ari. The first time pala nila na-open ko sa listahan. Kaya,
Ano kay kuya?
first time tayo ang first sabi ko,
Ano, yung electric power daw.
sabi ko kasi daw, matagal na daw.
Hindi, baka mag-under pa sa ano nila, manumano lang.
Cute na daw ito. Oneng, oh. May maraming chicken. And ito ang porky. I-reheat lang to, Dad.
Ano na sila na? Takip mo. Tingnan pa yung mga bata ulit.
Dami talaga niya si Gordon, si Hershey, si Graniki.
Okay na to. Ilagay ko na yan dyan.
Oh, amoy chicken.
Gang ka na, gang. Gang ka na. Yan ang new chef of the night. And then, dyan kami magdi-dinner sa new gazebo.
Dinner is so high. You know what? I want to invest yung drone talaga. Kita kami na to, ang gara lang tulabaw pa hindi ito obis sa gara.
Okay na to. Dahil niluto ko da. Pinanda. Okay na ang zucchini. Okay na to. Ang susunod ay ang squid. Pwede na to. Pwede ko na doon na. Ang squid natin. Tapos zucchini. Next, ang ating pusit. Ang pusit na marinated. Tada! Bango daw! Bango.
Ayun.
Pusit. Itagdagan ko pa kaya da? No? Aside? Maganda yun talaga, nakasiplak lang para this after, i-dispose mo na lang. O, isa pa. Sa kabila. Ayan. Wow. Wala. Ang aking chef. Tadi Gubi. Yummy. Hap lang siguro da. Marami na.
Oo.
Kala ko mayroong individual na kasi pwede dito
I know. Oo. Pero
Yung
doon,
isang
mayroon siya. Special.
magkasa yun.
Yan na talaga ang main course, Daddy. Halika na. Kain na. Let's go inside our kitchen. Gazebo. Wow, Jan. Dinner is served. Good job, guys. Turn on na daw. Wow.
Ano pala to? Incandescent?
Talaga naman, no? Camping 102 na talaga, na-upgrade. Meron na kaming gazebo. Wow, da. Good job, da. O, pasok na mga neighbors. Tara na, kain na tayo.
Ang laki, ang ganda. Buti na maganda na yung mga food. Imagine you made the name on my
Tingnan mo, oh, meron siyang ano dito dahil may basag.
time to change.
Okay, this is Camping 102, upgraded now with gazebo. Okay, kain na tayo. Thank you, Lord, for our food.
Kasi kahit na ano.
Thank
ikaw siguro.
Salad.
Oh, sa kunin man salad.
I'm not eating. You have to ask Daddy why we're not eating. Next time you
The
Dito
Walang mangga. Where's mine, Daddy? May plato lang da, por favor. Kain tayo.
Pangalan, di ba?
May pangalan, Daddy. That's Mirther. Dada. Oh, Daddy. Oh, ilagay mo coke kapag gusto. Parang baba mo, da.
Parang kumontra.
ang tangkad mo dito ka.
why? No. Team B tsaka Team S, no? Team B banana, Team
Oh,
E
meron
saging.
itong ano when you, if you want to drink from there, okay? Ano po? Wala tayong coke.
Fresh lang ga.
Meron. Kumain ka lang.
You don't like it, huh?
Thank you, Lord, for our food. Thanks for today's blessing.
Wala si James.
Si James ang taga-ano pala, Father James.
Pastor.
Si Pastor. Gusto daw niya ng coke. Kayo anak, wala lang ice. Ano ko? Coke pa gusto lang.
Wala lang signal, no? Para mag-messenger, no?
Wala.
Yung group chat. Group. Dito kami, kumakain.
Wala tayong ice ka.
Nandiyan sa kanilang,
Yun, sa ngayon.
kanilang,
Color.
Naku, nasa labas.
gusto mo?
Gusto ni namin.
Coca-Cola. Ah! There's Mirther.
Cokie candy.
Ang Coca-Cola.
Na yan.
Charot.
Ay, down.
Kompleto. Kain tayo. It's 9:30 now. Done dinner.
Oy!
Just settled down here. Ano na tayo, matutulog na soon. Pero mag-pee muna kami. Pwede lang dito, ano yung, oh? Hi, Jan! Jan, gising na!
Hey, there's Hershey.
Hershey! Hi, guys! Kama, oh, kumya kita. Sino? Grabe, no? Oh, dirty kitchen.
Dito na lang kailangan may ano.
Oh,
Yung ko, para hindi na tayo mag-sniffer.
Okay. Not yet.
I told you gonna picture with me.
It's just 13%. Cannot be.
sana kayo walang makita itong camera ko. Walang tao nakikita ko eh. It's s'mores.
Chuchu, look at them.
S'mores. Oh, hindi ko kaya, Daddy. Dalhin mo na, da. Bakit pumasok ka na sa loob? Dapat pumasok ka na, do.
Ito sa atin.
Abe?
No, I don't. I don't eat
It's
marshmallow.
s'mores time.
Jay, can you do it lang ba?
Di pa da.
Ha? Pwede na.
Gui-gui da, gui-gui.
Pwede na to.
Okay na to. Hindi pa yan, da. I-ano mo brown bread para naman malutong. Ba't pumasok rin dalawa? Malayo kasi. Lalali.
Ay, still talaga siya, no?
Sana da.
Wait, give it a while. It's green.
Where? Meron na?
Kasi me too.
That means it's gonna be spirit.
Where is it now?
It's green.
Yeah, it's right there in the corner.
Oh, there's a green na.
Green, blue, and something. Wow.
Blue.
Ayun na. Oh, naging ano na siya gang.
Oh, yes, spirit.
Pero hindi na siya
Safe for cooking.
Yeah.
It became to demon to spirit. Actually, it's not demon.
gang. Kami ni Daddy.
Oh, Jolene.
One, two,
Jolene. Oh, Kiela.
Kami Daddy.
Hold na. Ayaw nila to. Ayun na yun.
Ada, beer. Ada, gusto ko yan da. Tingnan natin.
Ang ganda nito din.
Oh, may color na. Cheers, Daddy. Brown na. Pinada.
The forest. And then where do we hide?
Basa-basa. Ay, basa sa loob, no?
Okay, bye-bye, guys.
Gagawa ng tsaa. Okay, Daddy.
Walang pa.
Pwede na siguro.
Mainit pa.
Mainit nga. Cheers,
Haluan mo lang ng
Daddy.
tubig.
Hmm?
Haluan mo tubig para lumabig.
Holy. Good night. Good night, guys.